everybody, it's Hannah with Vibrantrestorations. Today I'm going to be using my new redesign with Prima mold. It's called Royal Fountains, and it's these great little cornices here that can go up on your furniture, give that extra pizzazz. You might see this white powder that I put in here. It's actually cornstarch. I just put a little bit in there so that the resin wouldn't stick to it. So I'm using the amazing casting resin. Comes in a box like this. I got it at Hobby Lobby. And I am going to just show you the process. So I'm going to just tilt you down here. All right, so I have these little nifty cups right here. I'm going to fill one part of the part A and one part of the part B. It's equal parts, so it's pretty easy. Just kind of guesstimate, if you will. All right, so I'm gonna take this cup, I'm gonna fill in my part A. And I'm going to fill in my part B, equal parts. Just kind of see how much we need. Now it says to stir this for about 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna give it a good stir. Go along the sides, go along the bottom. And this one seems like it's going pretty fast. It's already turning white on me. So we're gonna have to pour this relatively quickly. But I don't want any parts that aren't stirred well. So I'm just gonna give that a good little stir right there. There we go. And then I'm gonna bring my mold over here. You can see it. I'm going to take my little cup. Let that just have one more second. Yeah, it's starting to thicken. Just one more second to thicken up, and then we'll start pouring these. I think this is a really cool design. I'm really excited to use it. We tap out the excess corn starch there, and go ahead and start pouring. Take my little popsicle stick and kind of move some over in here. And try to get one more in before it all starts to harden up. Scrape out any excess. There we go. And as you can see, it's already starting to turn white. And when it starts to turn white like this, it's actually already starting the hardening up process. It's pretty amazing that this stuff can set up within 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna just sit here and let you see how it works. Might even move you down just a little bit. This one is still setting up a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and demold this one and this one because they are already white. So I'm just gonna take the sides of the mold, gently press down, let this kind of break away. And there we have it. Great detailing. This one didn't quite turn out perfect, but as long as it hardens up, I don't know if you guys can see like right in there, right here. As long as it hardens up, a little paint is gonna hide all of that, this lighting. There we go. Should be fine. Just gotta let it harden a little bit more. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch our videos. We really appreciate all the likes, comments, and shares.